Hi guys, this is Angelo Kadusale for a new tutorial, PowerPoint tutorial, motion graphics. Yes, this is a tutorial, not a time lapse, but I will show. Now I will show you how to make this water effect in PowerPoint. This, as you can see, the animation of the flowing water repels it. We will focus on the flowing water animation. Let's see again. There. Let's do this now. So first we will make a new slide, new sample templates. I want a widescreen. We will make exactly this animation in PowerPoint now. Then let's start. I will delete these slides, then make a blank and the signs and office themes. I want a black presentation. Then I will get first a color palette. And I will install a color cup. What I use when I get some colors in RGB. Water. Not watercolor palette. Let's try C. If you want. What to choose? Oh, this. I want this one. Same East. Let's copy this and paste it to the PowerPoint. I will install the color cup first. Then I have color cup and I will select one of these to be the background. Probably this color, dark black, bluish black. There. Then I want this to be the background. Or this one perhaps, or I'll select. So the color code is keep me on top. Always on top. Then the color code is RGB code is 0227 and 255. There. I will make the lighter version of that. There. Then apply to all. Close. Now we will make the wavy parts of the water animation. So let's go to insert, shapes, and this wavy banner in the stars and banners section. There's wave. Then that fits. Now I will access the combine shape feature of the PowerPoint that I always make when I do the combine shape combining thingy. So let's go. To File, Options, Customize Ribbon, choose Commands from, and drop down menu, and then Commands not in the ribbon. Select Combine Shapes, go to Customize Ribbon, Tool tabs, Drawing Tools, then insert a new group and rename it as probably Merge. Merge. There. Then select the combine shape again and add and okay. There. Then we will colorize this to be exact. Color blue, light blue C. Then let's add no outline. Then add a rectangle. To be exact, at this point we will cover the bottom wavy parts. Then select the two and of the same format. Then Wait, I haven't inserted. Sorry. Add. I've inserted you. Then combine shapes, then union. Then we've made the wave part. Then this to be exact, and we will go center backward. Yes, I want to use the palette again. Then duplicate this and place it to the right corner of the first shape. Then select the two and drawing tools, combine shape union. Then I will duplicate this and I will rotate this to flip horizontally and align to the left and align to the bottom. There. I will adjust more to. Here's the color palette. There. Then I will bring this to the color palette. I will select this color. I think this is pure blue, perhaps. There. I select this, and the color code is color RGB is 41 136 136 255. Then I will place it to the back. And I will add some effects here. That I will add a transparency. I think 25. And the flowing water appears. I will do the same. I will make the same, but the half of 25. What is half of 25? 11.25. And we have flowing water in PowerPoint, but not to be exact, it's not animated. Now we will make the animation. To select the two wavy banners, then go to animation pane. We will access the animation pane, then add animation lines. We will go to the left. No. Wait. To make the animation, select the dark blue wavy banner, then align it to the bottom. And align to the right. There. And make the dark banner go to the right. Ooh. And it is disappearing. Then extend the path to reach this side of the slide. Then also as well as another animation. Then go to the animation pane, select the two and effects option, then remove the sudden smooth and then select until end of slide to the repeat. Drop the menu, then until end of slide. I didn't expect that one. Whoa, but this is cool. But it is not the exact animation I want to see. I will do the same again. Align it to the left. Then reverse the path direction. And this is a big mistake. Make the path go to the center again, and we will get this one. I want to make it slower by I think 10 seconds or 7.5 seconds, or I will make the one faster by 5 seconds probably. But it is cool. Or I will make the dark part flip horizontal again, then repeat the process. I've made made earlier and align it to the right. How much time I waited? 10 minutes. Then reverse the animation, path direction, and place the path to the center. Just a tip, press the shift to make the dragging exactly to the horizontal part, and we will get this flowing. I think I got the animation now, and I will sync them to 5 seconds. And you will get this animation. I want to make it faster by 2.5 seconds. Then there we will got this animation, the flowing animation, the flowing water animation in PowerPoint. I want to add some bubbles in here. Then I will add a circle. Then a shape into white, make it transparent by 11.25. There, sort of that, or make it smaller and place it to the topmost part of the banner. Then we will add an animation, then flying. And make it 1.25 seconds, and then right click the animation, effects options, then add a half smooth end by 0.5 seconds, or make it slower by 2 seconds probably. Aww. Gusto ko rin yun. Okay, sorry again. Okay, then I will add duplicate this many times, duplicate this until it reach this, or I will add more to this. There, then place it randomly, just like the bubbles inside the pile. There, I will zoom. Just a tip, press Shift, Control and Alt while you resize these circles to make the ratio exact. Then I will randomly place and then select the animations of the circles, then effects options, then same as the wave, add it and repeat, then until end of slide. Then place the animations randomly or in different speeds survey. Then just play it with the random. Just play out with the random positions of the bubbles to make it more authentic. Then let's check. There, and we got the bubbles. I want to decrease the bubbles. Too much bubbles. There and there. We got the animation. I will make it, yeah, there. What if I remove the smooth end? More authentic. And I will add some gradients to the bottom to the effect. Then we go to insert shapes, then oval. There. Then add it to this part, the bottom part, but the half part of the circle. Then go right click, format shapes. I will create a gradient. Then, no, not that. Select the type, then path. I will select the color of the gradient. I want it to be green, just like the mist. I select this, just like a light teal. I will add it to this stop. Go 0, 240, and 224. There, and okay. Then delete the stop. Then make this transparent by 100%. That's right. Then drawing tools, format, remove the outline, and extend the gradient. There. I will extend the gradient more. There. And I got the effect. I want the effect to have a gradient background, so I'll do this. Go format background, gradient fill. Then I will change the top of this and make it a dark blue, and I will adjust the brightness to be not the same as the path. I will want it to be linear. Then decrease the brightness, or I make it darker. Let's try. No. A radio. There. Play this. There. I got the animation. That dreamed. I scratched it. Here, I make a scratch of this. I have lined up this one. This one. Then now we've made the flowing water animation in PowerPoint, and I think this is much better than the first one. Okay, then so thank you for watching this tutorial. I think this is not a tutorial but a showcase, but I hope you understand what is the procedure in making this animation. I just provided a template for this presentation. Just go to the link. Just click the link in the description. So thank you for watching. Then let's cut. It's a wrap.